Hello. Okay, so let me go into my Google. So you want to make sure you're signed into your Gmail, whichever one that I shared this album with you. And if you want me to add Leonie and Nene's email too, let me know. You're going to go up here to this little waffle app, and you're going to scroll down until you find, see, okay, so I'm in the wrong account. Huh. Here we go. You're going to go to this photos, otherwise follow the link, but this is how you can always access it. It's going to look different to you because we have different photos. Go to the left-hand side where you see albums, or it would be sharing because I shared it with you. So yours actually, sorry, will probably be under albums or shared. Oh, albums will work. Apologies. Just click albums and you'll be able to find it. RHCI, this is one that we have already created. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of people who are already a part of here. If you want to add someone, click this bubble, and you can add whoever it is that you want to type in their email. Now, I want to show you something really cool. Let's say I click on this photo, and I know who this person is, or I want to write a comment about it. I can click this say something bubble here, and I can say name Alice, age 5, location Gundama. I mean, of course I'm making this up, but if I go like that and click, everybody will be able to see this comment. So if you make a video and have comments about that particular video, I can go on then as a user after you upload the videos and say, I wonder where this was shot, and I can look at the comments if you have comments and read anything like that. So again, that's how you access the Google. And if you ever want to share this entire album up here, you can click this share button and either copy the link, which is what I'm going to do right now for you, or type in, like if Leonie and Nene have Gmails, type them in here. Let me know when you upload some and I can check them out.